panic. People of your age go through this. Yes, I know. Any bad habits? Smoking, drinking, randibazi,
No, never did it.
Good. Any entry in police records?
I was wrong once on the street, so
No. I mean, have you done any crime by yourself?
no, didn't, never.
Ram, nothing. Just checking whether it is your real name. You may go. And thank you for giving us a chance to make your life better.
I do not write diaries. I am not a sadomasochist. But I talk to myself. Been doing it for long. Like living for long. 45 years of life. I should celebrate this. There is nothing sympathetic or spectacular about my life. A never shouting wife who thinks having sex is a war. NRI kids who thought we were not good parents but ordinary ones, who brought them up like normal parents. Whatever that means. After 45, it's nothing. You have got 15 years to retire and you have started growing old. 10 more years like that and you are done for life. No pseudo-motivational self-help books. No social work is going to lighten you up. No actress making love or a politician making political moves is going to excite you. A constant sense of repetitiveness like those in repeat telecast of daily soaps. I get bored of writing. Otherwise, I could have written novels or poems on boredom. If God is immortal and watching us all the time, I pity him. He must have been so bored. Someone needs to pray for him. Words do not come to your mind quickly. If they come, then they do not want to travel all the way down to your tongue. There is no need to be expressed now. Say it. Thinking takes a lot of energy. I don't think much. I used to. But now, I don't. I have a new addiction now. Sleeping. I can sleep anywhere, anytime, any situation. It's a great thing. time passes well, and nothing in the world can affect you. I was always an average student. I never had an ambition to get good marks, good pay service, and things like that. My third rank in my second standard in a painting competition. That's my only achievement till now. And I think that's all I could have achieved really.
घरचं एक तरी काम नीट करता येतं का तुम्हाला?
का? काय झालं?
पण निर्लज्जपणे मलाच विचारताय काय झालं? तो चेक टेलिफोन बिलचा होता आणि तुम्ही लाईट बिलच्या ऑफिसमध्ये तो देऊन तरी बरं तिकडचे तिकडचा एक घेऊन माझ्या मैत्रिणीचा भाऊ लागतो आणि पैसे काही झाडायला लागत नाही. इथे जी मारून कसं कसं मी घर चालवते माझं मलाच माहिती. दुसरी एखादी असती ना तर केव्हाच घर सोडून पळून गेली असती. आता का गप्प बसलाय? बोला ना. तेवढंच शेजारच्यांना मिळेल बोलायला. नवरा किती साधा भोळा बिचारा आणि बायको मात्र कंजूस. वाचा, पेपरच वाचत नाही. जगाच्या खबरी ठेवा पण घरचं तुम्हाला काहीही घेणं देणं नाहीये. एवढंच होतं तर लग्न तरी कशाला केलं? राहायचं होतं ब्रह्मचारी.
Sometimes I think my wife is also bored, and that's why shouts at me for no reason. One reason is that her blood pressure is high, or maybe she wants me to shout back at her. It's not like I do not like my work, but I do not think there is any other job which would make me feel well happier. I'm bad with words, but I hope you are understanding what I want to say. I hate reading novels nowadays. Nowadays, I hate watching films, even ones which were made in my times. Everyone in novels or films has either suffered or done something heroic. This makes me feel like a loser. I'm not. I know I am not. But that is what these things make me feel.
करेंगे ये अस्सी से आ एक्सरसाइज थी.
Even when I see those young kids in reality shows making it big, I feel like I do not want to know what I feel like. I see stock markets going up and down, recessions happening, not happening. I understand shit. I'm not involved. Just like, forget. Technology has changed so fast in last 3 decades that I feel like an expired product. Marathi is my mother tongue, but English gives me some sense of pride. I might be expired, but not outdated. I don't know, but I can't live like this for next 15 years of my work life. And after retirement, I do not want to know. There were some chances, like when anti-reservation protests took place. Also, When Advaniji called for total Hindu Rashtra, couldn't push it.
नेशन? अरे नेशन मतलब क्या? मैं तो भूल गया हूँ बॉस। रिजर्वेशन से ये सारे सरकारी ब्राह्मण है ना, वो देश की वाट लगा रहा है। पहले साले तो ये लांडे लोगों का बंदोबस्त करना पड़ेगा। आधे कटे है ना, पूरे के पूरे उड़ा देना चाहिए बॉम्ब लगा के। पहले हिंदू कंट्री, बाद में ब्राह्मण कंट्री। और जब तक कोई लेडी ऑफिसर तुम्हारे सर के ऊपर नहीं बैठ जाती ना, तब तक हिलाते रहो। और जब सारी औरतें काम करना शुरू करेगी ना, तब इस देश को कोई नहीं बचा सकेगा। लिख लेना। कुछ तो बोल यार।
हाँ, say it as if I care, but I have to do something. What can I do? I have to do something, you know, which will revive my life. An extreme cure for boredom and cliche solutions for it. Sometimes you have to do something insane to protect your sanity. These days, when I walk on the streets, everyone looks at me as if he is there to judge me or something. I feel like slapping people for no reason. I feel like raping women for no reason. I feel like abusing school kids for no reason. I feel like crushing cute babies' heads for no reason. I feel like living like this for no reason. Fucking a whore or having an extramarital affair could have changed things. But AIDS, these TV ads scare the shit out of normal people. Amnesia, schizophrenia. I would love to have some mental disease which would make me go insane and give me a justification to do whatever I want to do. But then God got bored of my boredom and made me sit in